Yo, this your boy Top Finance. Got the world's loudest remote control car system. Still not complete, still under construction. It's been sitting for a couple of months. I'm about to drive it around a little bit. Nothing's connected up yet. Only thing that's really on right now is the bass. But I don't have my iPod on me, so I can't play my music at the time. But she's still under construction. I gotta sit that front right. That's what the front look like, kinda tacky, but I'll do something about it as soon as I get the right parts or pieces. But let me drive her right quick. She has a lot of weight on her, so she's not moving fast at all. But she does win, trust me. Anybody want to battle? Y'all come and see me. 360 watts all together. Let me turn her on. She got so much weight on her. She's not no joke. Don't play no games when it comes down to this. We're going uphill with all this weight. The last thing I gotta do before I connect anything, I still got 3 more speakers to hook up. Well, actually 4. I got about 4 speakers to hook up. I still gotta buy 2 more speakers to run everything. See, she kinda wobbling. I gotta adjust the front. All that weight, she's sagging. I don't think you can tell from the angle I'm looking at, but yeah, everything will come together shortly. That's the base right there. Of course, gotta rep my city. She is a handful. That's what under the body look like. She kind of dying on me with all this weight. I need to get 2 more batteries. She takes power, man. It's ridiculous. This is the world's first loudest remote control car system ever. So like I said, anybody want to battle, just hit me up, whatever. More videos will be posted soon. I'll probably shoot another video when I get back downstairs. I don't know, but this is what she look like. And she's not small, trust me, because I'm about 6 feet tall. And she stops right at the top of my knee. So, like I said. And if y'all want to know how many speakers on her right now, this is 1 right here. You got 5 back here. And under the body, you got the bass, which is 150. So, like I said, anybody want to battle, I'll battle a real car too. She ain't no joke. Can't wait till she finish. 1.